Hi everyone, this is our introduction into igneous rocks. Now, here in the state of Missouri, we don't have a lot of igneous rocks, so it's kind of hard to go somewhere fun to really show you what those look like. But right now I do have a piece of rock right in front of me, so this is a igneous rock. This specific kind is what we like to call a pegmatite. So we're going to learn all about that in this chapter. But it's pretty neat. It's kind of hard to see, but in this rock we have really big quartz grains and we have a lot of muscovite. So that's part of what makes this a pegmatite. So you guys are going to get to learn about this a little bit more. Check something out like this and we'll learn a little bit more. So you can see all the flashy stuff. That part that's glittering, that's the muscovite. Pretty cool. Alright, so we know that Missouri doesn't have a lot of igneous rocks. However, we do have some. Most of those are going to be concentrated over in the St. Francis Mountains, so that's in the southeast corner of the state. If you haven't been there, they're really cool. You should all go check them out. Probably a lot of you didn't know that we have these igneous rocks here in the state of Missouri. Some geologists think that these actually formed as part of a hot spot that was underneath the North American plate at one time. Very similar to what's actually going on over in Yellowstone. But there's a little bit of debate of exactly why this is happening, but it's still kind of neat to talk about. So the oldest igneous rocks that we have in the state of Missouri are going to be 1.5 billion years old. Yeah, you heard me right, billion years old. And these are what we call extrusive rocks. Now the younger set of these rocks, those are what we call intrusive rocks, and they're somewhere about 1.32 billion years old. So we're going to learn the difference about intrusive and extrusive rocks in this lesson. But some of our other learning goals is first we're going to talk about the difference between lava and magma. Yes, there actually is a difference between the two. We're going to talk about different textures, compositions, and environments that igneous rocks form in and how we would name them based on those characteristics. Then we're going to take a little bit look deeper into different types of igneous bodies. And lastly, we're going to see how igneous rocks actually change and how they evolve over time. So that's going to be what this lesson focuses on. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to talk to me. Thanks.